You ready? 1, 2, 3, go! I'm totally gonna win this race! No way! I'm gonna be the winner! Yes! I did it! What happened? Why is my hair blue? Ava? I better go find her and quick! Huh? Gabby! You're here too! Wow! We must be in a challenge! I'm gonna take a quick peek. Ooh, I'm totally gonna switch them. Done! She'll never know the truth. Are we ready? Let's look. Oh. Ooh! I got ice cream! I can't wait to dig into this. This is gonna be so good! I just know it! Oh my gosh! Wow! Look at these treats! Ooh, it's getting cold. You're telling me? Oh, so cold! Oh my gosh! Here! You need to warm up. A hat too. That'll help. Oh, thank you. That's a lot better. Okay, back to my ice cream. Hey! Why did you take it away? No way. That's enough for you. If you need another treat, here. You can have these. Okay, fine. I guess I could snack on these. They're really good, right? Super good! I can't stop eating them! Nice! I'm taking a handful too. Hey, it's empty. Oh no! There's only one left. You can have it. No, that's okay. You can have it. Okay. Oh, take a look at what I can do. Whoa! That's amazing! Done! And here, it's a gift for you. Wow! Thank you so much! What do you think we'll get next? I mean, there's nothing here so far. Maybe it's just hidden under the plates. Shoot! Doesn't seem like it. Yeah, this plate is just an empty plate. Gabby! Maybe we just need to close our eyes. Anything yet? It shouldn't be too much longer, I think. No way! It worked! Check out our plates! Wow! I think it's lotion. I'm totally ready to give this a try. I'll just squeeze a bit out onto my hand. There, that should be enough. I'll just rub it in. Huh. This is odd lotion. Ava! Oh my gosh, it's not lotion! This is totally hilarious! So funny! Look, watch what I do with it. See? Not lotion. It's chewing gum. Oh, okay. Watch. I can blow a bubble. Nice! That's a great bubble. Gabby, stop! Ah! Oh no! I've got chewing gum everywhere now! Now we're both covered in gum! We're ridiculous! Ready? Let's close our eyes again! Yay! It worked again! Looks like it's more gum! Yes! Oh, yours is cut up into little pieces. This smells so good! Time to start! Yummy! This is so good! I have so many! And they're so pretty, too! Alright, I'm gonna just scoop these all up. And then I'll just squeeze them tightly together. Yes! Check out this great ball of gum I made! Alright, it's bubble blowing time! Whoa! That's an impressive bubble! I wonder how big I can make it. Oh! Wow! Oh my gosh, Ava! That was so funny! Oh yeah? Well, maybe it's time for another kind of challenge. Okay, I'll go first then. Give me a second. Anytime, Gabby. Here I go. Oh! Shoot. That wasn't very good. Okay, let me try again. Come on, Bubble. Get bigger. Oh! One more time. I can do it. I know! Oh! Oopsie. That flew really far, too. Well, looks like it's my turn now. Lips, are you warmed up and ready to blow? Maybe you could just blow the bubble now, Ava? Fine. I'm ready. Here I go. Wow! Whoa. Wait a second, Ava. Ava? Ava! You're starting to float! Pop the bubble! Ava! Don't let it carry you away! Oh, she's gone. What should I do now? Time for the next challenge. Wow! Look at this stack of gum! Huh? I only got one piece. Ugh, this isn't fair at all. Ava, this gum is delicious! So good. I need more. What? Man, that's not fair at all. I guess I'll eat my single piece of gum then. Ouch! I only get one piece and it's rock hard. Wait! An idea! Ha! These fake chompers will make an excellent prank. I'll just take this fake tooth. And now to introduce it to the gum. Just a little bit longer. There we go. Prank primed and ready. This might be the best prank I've ever played. Here she goes! Oh, she picked the wrong one. Ugh, she's taking forever. Guess I have to wait. She picked it! Time for the prank to play out! Ow! What's that? Why was this piece so hard? Oh my gosh! A tooth! My tooth! Ha! Hilarious! Look, Abby. Don't worry. See? Huh? Another tooth? Ugh. Ha ha. You're the worst. Let's look! Wow! Look at these! They look delicious! No way! Pink Pocky! I'm beyond excited! There's so many too! A whole plate full. Hello! I am Mr. Mustache. Ooh, I would be such a great Wolverine. I'm a walrus! Cool, gachoo! Gabby, you are ridiculous! Still, I'm kinda jealous that yours is so easy to play with. Oh, I know! Onto my fingers they go! They're so squishy! Ha! Pillow fingers! Time to munch them! Ooh, look at this line of them! Nummy! Chomp! Munch! Nom! Check this out! Yes! Got it in one! Ooh, nice! That was impressive! Thank you, thank you. Hey! Yes! I have the same idea! Let's do it! Pocky chopsticks! Here we go! Using candy to eat candy! Awesome! Here we go! I wish we had more. Hey, wait a second. I'll just eat my chopsticks. Oh, right! I totally forgot. Here, let's eat all of these too. So crunchy. Hey, where's the snacks? Whoa, did you see that? It fell from above. Ooh, a whole box of gum. Here, I'll open it. No. Give it to me! Let me do it. Whoa! Yes! I win! Hey, wait a second. What the? I'm blue now! Oh, I see. We switched colors. Shoot. Well, I guess that's what we get for fighting. Seems like this is just how things are now. Come on, stop moping. Let's check out this gum. Hey, maybe we can put it back together. Well, I guess it's worth a try. Alright, close your eyes and make a wish. Okay, that's long enough. Did it work? Shoot, we're still the wrong colors. Wait, we've got to switch the gum colors too. Okay, let's check out the gum. Well, might as well give this gum a try. I'll try blowing a bubble. Maybe that'll help. Oops! Oh, hey! The bubble popped and I'm back to blue! Yes! No way! I've gotta try that. Alright, time to blow a bubble. Yes! It worked for me too! I just love being pink! We did it! High five! If you had a choice, would you pick blue or pink? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel's page for more great videos like this one.